In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Lucid Trading to TradingView so you can use trading signals and tools directly on your charts. But before connecting anything, make sure you have an active account with Lucid Trading and a working TradingView account. It could be a free or a paid account. Now, when you go to Lucid Trading, I hate to break it to you guys, but as of the moment, there is no direct options for you to connect Lucid Trading to TradingView. Because Lucid Trading usually connects to TradingView through a supported broker link. And how do we do it? First of all, on TradingView, go to Products and then click Super Charts. And then on the top right corner, you have the option to choose your broker link. Okay, so on the search bar, most often 𝗟𝗂𝗱𝗶𝗴 is a partner of Lucid Trading that you can seamlessly connect to Lucid Trading here in TradingView. Okay, if you click on it, Lucid provides credentials rather than a native Lucid broker inside TradingView. Okay, if your Lucid account is tied to a supported broker, which is 𝗟𝗂𝗱𝗶𝗴, you can log in from TradingView's trading panel. If not, you'll need to use the TradingView for charting and place trade on the broker platform separately. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can connect Lucid Trading to TradingView. Although there is no direct way to connect both, you can use a partner broker link, which is 𝗟𝗂𝗱𝗶𝗴, so that you can seamlessly connect both platforms. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.